Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. At bago ang lahat ay nais kong i-welcome dito sa Manila Cathedral ang mga bata at kabataan mula sa Dolores, Taytay, Rizal. Welcome. Field trip nyo ba? Okay. So, welcome din po sa mga Pilgrims of Hope who are coming over to the Manila Cathedral. Good morning, and good morning to those who are following us online. Have you attended or have you been invited to an engagement party where the boyfriend will make a surprise proposal? So hindi alam ng babae, secret, and then at certain point in the program, the boy or the boyfriend will say or ask the girlfriend, "Will you marry me?" Yan. Have you been invited to that? I have not been invited to it, no? But I have seen, I have seen movies, I have seen videos on YouTube, internet, of scenes like this. The surprise proposal, engagement party. Sometimes it ends well because the girl would say, yes, I will marry you. And then may mga pasabog, mga palakpakan, and then lilitaw yung mga nakatagong mga bisita. So everybody will be happy because the lady said yes. Everybody will be happy because the lady said yes. But it could also happen that the lady would say, "No, I'm not ready." Nako, I wonder what the feeling would be. No, hawak-hawak mo yung singsing, pagkatapos sabi ng kasintahan mo, "No, not yet. I'm not ready." Wala. Tanggal ang mga banners, uwian na yung mga bisita, no? Pero paano ka makakakain doon, no? Sa party na yon, sinabi noong girlfriend, no. Imagine the scenario of our two readings. In our two readings, the first reading from the prophet Isaiah and the gospel, the familiar gospel of the Annunciation, there are two different scenarios, like day and night. Sa unang pagbasa, so sabi ng Panginoon kay Ahaz the king, no? Ask for a sign from the Lord your God. But Ahaz answered, "No, I will not ask. I will not ask." It was a rejection of the proposal. The king said no to the Lord. And yet, contrary to the first reading, the gospel is the story of a lady to whom the plan of God was presented. And in the end of the story, the lady said, "Yes, behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. May it be done to me according to your word." Yes, I say yes to the proposal. My dear brothers and sisters, daily, the Lord is making proposal to us. Araw-araw, ang Diyos ay nagpapahayag ng kanyang gusto sa atin. Ngayon, ang tanong ay ito, ano ang ating isinasagot? Pagsang-ayon o pagtanggi? Pagsunod o pagsuway? Imagine, in the engagement party, the guests were waiting for the lady's response. And when the lady says yes, everybody celebrates. You see, yan din pong isang wag nating kalilimutan. Kapag tayo ay umoo o sumasag o humihindi, hindi lamang po tayong apektado. Sa maraming pagkakataon, ang pagtugon natin ay umaapekto sa ibang tao. Just like in the engagement party, when the woman says yes, everybody is happy. When the woman says no, everybody goes home sad. Kaya maging maingat po tayo sa ating mga pagsagot. Kasi yung ating pag-oo o pagtanggi ay magdudulot ng kaligayahan o kalungkutan sa ating kapwa. Many times, our response will not only affect us personally, our response also has an effect on other people. Will my answer make people happy, saved, delivered, or will my response will make the people sad? Hilingin natin sa misang ito na sa lahat ng ating pagtugon, matularan natin ang mahal na Birhen na sumasang-ayon sa plano ng Diyos. Amen.